Alright guys, we are at Cabela's right now.
Got the fishing stuff.
We got fishing stuff.
Trout fishing at Wolf Creek Dam, and we're gonna camp at the hatchery, the fish hatchery down there.
It's gonna be sick, guys.
Trying to record.
Kobe just got these cool new waders.
That stupid mask off.
Well, we just left Cabela's and now we're headed to the campsite. We'll see you there. Rolling in. There we go. Look what we have here. Even trout fishing, Kobe gets hung up.
I'm about to slip in a big old hole, dude. Look at this deep. Oh! I'm trying to get my stuff back. Oh. That's deep.
Hey, it goes up to your chest. You're good.
Is that cold?
Yeah, it's cold. It's really cold water. Yeah, dude, I've been walking through some marsh. Totem web.
Yeah.
Right here, Joe. On these rocks. This is all rocks right here. Backwards and filling you.
All right, guys. So we just rolled up. Where are we at? I don't even know. Some water.
Cumberland River.
Are we? Oh, this is Cumberland River. I don't even know.
Cumberland River.
I don't even know. But we're going to try and wade some and try and catch some trout. We saw a dude catch a trout while we were rolling up. Here comes somebody behind us about to get run over.
Yeah, so the water's down real early. It is pretty early right now, and we're gonna try to walk the edge.
We all got our waders on, looking pretty fly.
We look really stupid.
We're gonna see if we can catch anything. All right.
Right out here in front of us.
Lucas caught one, first catch. Woo-wee.
Did you grab it? Wait,
No, he's fighting.
Dang.
Lucas got him.
Nice looking one.
One of those rainbows.
Gotta get the head out of water.
Huh?
You really gotta get the head out of water.
And I kind of...
Oh, chill. There he is.
Sick, bro. I don't know.
10, 12 inches? You gonna keep him? You got a stringer in your pocket?
Sick.
Coming to you then.
Lucas caught a fish.
I'm also going today because I'm about to break.
Oh, there's my supper. Y'all gotta find yours.
I'll find me some supper. Oh.
right, well, we got 4 fish right here. They just started letting water out, so it's starting to rise, so we're gonna get out of here.
So we don't drown.
Tonight.
I'm gonna eat ribeye and trout.
I just cast. I got a fish. Yeah. No, I seen it. I ain't got him no more. It was brown.
Was it really?
Yeah, I seen it come up.
Really? You had it on your boat?
Yep, on it. It tugged at it.
Oh, Dad.
Alright guys, so I'm sitting here waiting at Braden and Lucas's campsite. They're kind of slow this morning, so I'm just sitting here in the Jeep waiting on them. About to go and try and catch some more trout and see how it goes. We caught some yesterday. We talked to the dude that seemed like he knew a lot, and he said that this morning's gonna be pretty dang good, so we're gonna go out there and try it early this morning. We'll see you there.
Yeah, it's a good one. Grab it.
Get him on the land.
That's a good one. Pretty long. I'm gonna check it. No, I don't think it will. Yeah, it should be right under.
Oh yeah, should be 13.
Look at that's a good one.
Nice, that's the best one we got. Thanks, Paul. Keep backing up. Right?
Yeah.
I hope so. What are you talking?
Ooh, he's big.
A big one. I'll pay it. I know. Bring it up here, I'll barely. Look at that thing. Yeah!
Let me see that.
I don't know if he's 22. Man, I don't know if he's 20. He's 20. He's close.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go measure.
You keep going.
I hope he's bigger than the slot.
Oh, you got him hooked perfect, dude.
Let's go measure.
Come on. Got him. Nice.
We're gonna keep making room.
Golly, look at that. Woo. We're in the hatchery right now.
Holy crap.
Whoa. I'm gonna put it down in there. insane. And it goes forever. You can really see them now. Look how many there are. God. These are the little ones too. They get bigger and bigger. If I do it too slow, they scare.
They'll come back up.
This is insane.
Yo.
Talk about it.
Oh, this is where they release them to go into the hatchery right there. When they want to, they lift that up. And
yep, they lift it up
funnel
and
down in there.
Sucks them down. That's pretty crazy. Well, those are all the fish we got today. And we just got back to the campsite, and I think we're about to pack up and head out. Maybe eat some lunch. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.